Windy late afternoon day here, almost June, in Austin, Texas. Native Tree Nursery. Doing some plant scouting. The sycamore leaves are always fun to study up close. Yeah, the soft underside helps protect them from getting desiccated or wind and burn. Looks like these are cotinus or smoke bush, which is a native to America. Get that grown as a standard. What fun that is, look at that. And there are maples that grow in Texas. Here we are with some of them. Look at that, quite a waxy leaf. And so there will be a nice red fall color with these, I believe. Let's just double check what kind. Big tooth maple, Acer grandidentatum. Very nice. Some exciting color over here. Desert willow, Chelopsis linnaeus, Bubba. That's suited for Texas. Hello, Bubba.